Hello, this is Nick from Nexus Property Management, Worcester. Just coming to you today to show you this new apartment that we have for rent at 17 Ward Street, Unit 2. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom apartment on the 2nd and 3rd floor in Worcester, Mass. And I'm going to be going around and just highlighting a lot of the different things that this place has to offer, as well as trying to give you the best idea of the size of the apartment as I can from the video. And like I said, this is 2nd and 3rd floor. We're on the 2nd right now, where the front entrance is. It's kind of got a private balcony, you know, because this doesn't go up any higher. So it just kind of comes up to the unit, and you have this basically a private balcony right there. And there is parking in the front as well. Just check the listing to confirm all the details about the parking. But that's in the front driveway. And when you come in here, you kind of take a look around, you see that it's got some nice appliances. You've got name brand fridge, and it looks like an electric stove and a microwave. And it's nice color in here. This is a recently renovated apartment, so you're going to see kind of fresh paint throughout different rooms. And there's definitely a lot of cabinet space and a lot of countertop space in here, because it extends over here. It's not just what's next to all the appliances. And this is a 2-bathroom, so there's 1 full bathroom on each level. It's 2 bedrooms on this one, and 1 bedroom upstairs. So upstairs it's actually like a master bedroom attached directly to the bathroom. So we can kind of see that there. This is the full bathroom in here. You can see it's got vanity mirror, and that's a medicine cabinet as well. Plus it's got a standing shower. There's no tub in this place. The top one's a standing shower as well. So this is the bathroom on this level. Over there is the living room, but first I'm just gonna go kind of from left to right. Here's the bedroom. This here's the first bedroom. And this one isn't the biggest, I don't think, but it does have these 2 closets. I think it's the only one that has the 2 closets. I'll double check about the other 2 bedrooms. But these are really nice. It gives you a lot of space. And this is a little bit bigger than some of the 3-decker apartments here in Worcester. I usually see the bedroom size. It's a little bit bigger. And I think it's kind of the same thing for the one on my left here. And kitchen's very spacious. You know, it's lots of room to walk around. You could probably put some little furniture in there, like some extra shelves. And this is this room over here. So it's nice vinyl floors going throughout, I should say. And you got the ceiling fan in here, 2 big windows. And I would say these bedrooms are definitely big enough for like a queen size bed and desk/dresser setup. And coming in here, this is the living room. So the living room is the one that gets the most light. So we're here at around, just around midday. And you can see that the sun is over on that side of the highway. So you get lots of light coming in. It's actually a pretty nice view, because this is right over the hill, and you can kind of see over there. Living room's got vinyl floors too, although these ones are more of like a brown wood, and it would look nice in here. You can probably easily fit a big, sectional couch and an entertainment system as well. And this one's got 3 windows, so that one goes around the sides, and it's got the window blinds that are still here. And then so this is where this apartment is pretty unique. So it goes up to the 2nd floor for another living room, some closet space, a little bit of extra storage with that. So this is the common area. This goes down. This is a shared space. And then beyond this door, this is all part of Unit 2. So this stairway right here is still part of the private apartment, going through between the different places. So come up here. So also it's all locked up. So you have 1 lock for the common door, and you got 1 lock for right here and 1 lock for right there. And So coming up here, this would be like second living room, and you're still facing the same way, where you can kind of see over the highway. So second living room over here. And it's got a little space, a little shelf space right there too. And this is the closet that I mentioned. So it's got a little closet rack right there. So this is actually maybe the second bedroom with 2 closets if you count that first one's a closet, and a lot of space in this one. It's got a huge, kind of like half of the attic, and it's got a light. So it's pretty good storage. And this is like a master bedroom that's got a master bathroom. So you got the mirror right here, and the vanity. Also a nice, another stand-in shower, and the toilet. So it's pretty nice to have that right here, right next to the bedroom. And that's gonna do it for the video at this place, 17 Ward Street, Unit 2. If you have any questions about this listing, or if you'd like to reach out to our leasing agent, please go to nexuswor.com, and you can go to our for rent page or our vacancies page. It's gonna have every apartment that we have available, including this one, and the option to send a message to the leasing agent is on there. And once again, this has been Nick from Nexus Property Management, Worcester.